Tracking outbound sales effectively is essential for optimizing your sales strategy. And with Folk CRM, it's easier than ever to manage and monitor your outreach efforts. In this video, we'll explore exactly how to track outbound sales with Folk CRM and why this tool could be a game changer for your sales team. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage Folk CRM to boost your sales performance and streamline your workflow. First off, Folk CRM simplifies the way you track and manage your outbound sales efforts. It's a tool designed for teams who need more than just a contact management system. Folk allows you to not only store contacts, but also track every interaction and follow-up, so you never miss an opportunity. Whether you're cold emailing, calling, or reaching out through social media, Folk helps you see what's working and what's not. One of the standout features for tracking outbound sales is the pipeline view. This lets you see where each lead is in the sales cycle. You can set up custom stages like initial contact, follow-up, or negotiation, allowing you to visualize your entire sales process at a glance. With Folk CRM, you don't have to worry about leads slipping through the cracks. Everything is organized and updated in real time, so your team is always on the same page. Tracking is also enhanced with powerful tagging and filtering. As you interact with your leads, you can tag them based on key factors like lead source or sales priority. This helps you segment your outbound sales efforts and easily filter through your database to focus on the hottest leads. For instance, you can filter by high priority leads to ensure you're always reaching out to the right people at the right time. Another key component is Folk's robust analytics. It tracks metrics like open rates, response times, and the success of follow-up actions. This kind of detailed reporting is essential for understanding how well your outbound efforts are performing. If you notice a dip in response rates, you can adjust your approach, whether it's your messaging or the time of day you're reaching out. Automation is also built into Folk CRM. You can set up sequences of automated follow-ups, reminders, and even personalized email templates. This takes the guesswork out of the process, ensuring you're staying consistent with your outreach. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter, and Folk helps you do that. Now, you might be wondering how easy it is to integrate Folk CRM with your existing tools. The good news is it seamlessly integrates with apps like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Slack, making it simple to sync all your communication efforts into one platform. This integration helps to keep all your sales efforts in sync without jumping between multiple apps. If you're new to Folk CRM, I've got some great news. You can try this software for free right now by clicking the first link below. You'll get exclusive access to bonuses and extended trials, so you can explore all of Folk's features without any upfront commitment. To summarize, Folk CRM is a powerhouse for tracking outbound sales, offering features like custom pipeline views, detailed analytics, lead tagging, and seamless automation. With this tool, you'll be able to keep a close eye on every stage of your outbound efforts and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. And remember, you can get started with Folk CRM for free and even access some exclusive bonuses through the link below. Don't forget, this free trial gives you the perfect opportunity to see for yourself how Folk CRM can streamline your outbound sales process, making your team more efficient and effective. Go ahead, click the link below and take your sales efforts to the next level today.